Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing TensorFlow, one of the most popular open-source software libraries for machine learning and deep learning. TensorFlow is an end-to-end platform for building and deploying machine learning models. It was developed by the Google Brain team and is now maintained by the TensorFlow team at Google. TensorFlow is designed to be flexible and scalable, making it suitable for both small and large-scale projects. It provides a comprehensive set of tools and libraries for building and training machine learning models, as well as deploying them in production. Use cases. TensorFlow is widely used in a variety of applications, such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. It is also used in various industries, including healthcare, finance, and e-commerce. TensorFlow allows developers to build and train models for a wide range of tasks, from simple regression models to complex deep learning models. Additionally, TensorFlow provides an ecosystem of pre-trained models and transfer learning libraries, making it easier for developers to get started with their projects. Examples of TensorFlow in action. Some real-world examples of TensorFlow in action include image classification. TensorFlow is used to classify images into different categories, such as animals, plants, and vehicles. This is achieved by training a deep learning model on a large dataset of labeled images, and then using the trained model to classify new images. Handwriting recognition. TensorFlow is used to recognize and transcribe handwritten text. This is done by training a deep learning model on a dataset of handwritten text, and then using the model to recognize new handwritten text. Natural language processing. TensorFlow is used to process and analyze text data, such as sentiment analysis and text classification. This is achieved by training a deep learning model on a large dataset of text data and then using the model to classify new text data. TensorFlow is a powerful tool for building machine learning models and has been adopted by many organizations due to its ease of use, scalability, and flexibility. TensorFlow also provides a large community of developers and researchers who contribute to its development and provide support to its users. And that's it for today's video on TensorFlow. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on the latest in machine learning and deep learning. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such videos. See you next time.